Dear students, in the previous class, we were doing the poem The Way Through the Woods. Yes or no? And we have completed also. So today we will continue with the new chapter, that is section 1, page number 63, in conversation with J.K. Rowling. Okay. So as you know who is J.K. Rowling, few of you know, most of you know, but exactly you don't know that she is J.K. Rowling. Okay, so let's see who is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, the writer's life. She is a writer. Okay, so let's see page number 63. J.K. Rowling is the creator of the very popular fictional wizard Harry Potter. Now when I say Harry Potter, all of you are saying yes, you know J.K. Rowling. I think most of you have watched the movie Harry Potter, yes or no? So, she is the main creator, okay? She is the main creator of the fictional wizard Harry Potter. Her 7 books on the adventure of Harry transform her from a poor, struggling writer to one of the wealthiest women in Great Britain. So, this Harry Potter is her 7th book on the adventure, okay? And before that, she was a poor struggling writer. She wanted to become famous, but still till she have written about Harry Potter fictional wizard story, she become most popular. She became one of the wealthiest women in Great Britain because of this Harry Potter. Her books have inspired movies, stage production, video games, and even theme parks. Her books, whatever she have written, okay, that inspired, that is made into movies, and that has also done a stage production, and it also made as video games and even theme parks. Millions of children all over the world have read and loved the Harry Potter series. So millions of children, not only from India, but from every corner of the world, all over the world, they love, okay, they love the Harry Potter series. And most of you, I think only few of you don't like me, most of you like, yes or no? On February 3rd, 2000, in an event organized by an educational publisher, hundreds of students from across America went online to ask J.K. Rowling their favorite question about Harry Potter. So, an educational event was organized, okay, by the publisher. On which date? On February 3rd, 2000. So, hundreds of students from across America, so they went online. They want to ask questions about their favorite series Harry Potter. So, they went online to ask some questions to J.K. Rowling. This unique interview gives us an insight into Rowling's method of working and demonstrate how the power of imagination can change lives and inspire millions of people. So, here below it is given about a brief interview with J.K. Rowling, and this brief interview, from this we will get to know how the poor imagination, okay, how she changed her life and how her writing inspire millions of people. And I already told you that before she wrote Harry Potter, she was a poor struggling writer, but after she wrote Harry Potter series, okay, she became from a poor struggling writer woman to a wealthiest woman in Great Britain. Wealthiest woman in Great Britain. Okay, so there is a brief interview given, and from this unique interview we will get to know about the Rowling's method of working, how she used to work, okay, and how she get the knowledge to write about the things, to write about the drama, about the series, okay, and how the power of imagination, how she can imagine. We imagine, yes or no, sometimes. So how this imagination can change lives and how this can inspire millions of people. So we will get to know from this a brief interview with J.K. Rowling. So I think today we will stop here, because if I will continue, you will be puzzled. So already we get to know who is J.K. Rowling, okay, from the brief introduction. In next class we will start with this J.K. Rowling. But before that, let's have a brief look in today's class, let's have a brief introduction about J.K. Rowling, a brief look about the successful creative writer. Okay, so let's see. Student is asking question, how did you come up with Harry Potter? So one student asks, so you are writing so much of novel, so how you came up with Harry Potter? Then Rowling replied, Harry just sort of strolled into my head on a train journey. He arrived very fully formed. It was as though I was meeting him for the first time. So Rowling replied, that during a train journey, so she was thinking, she was imagining, so at that time Harry just arrived a sort of stroll into her head, okay, into her head, and Harry arrived a very fully formed. There was imagination. That does not mean that Harry is a person and he arrived. Okay, imagination came into J.K. Rowling's head. So imagination was, Harry imagination was arrived with fully formed. It was as though she was meeting him for Harry for the first time. Then again another student asks, did you ever meet a boy like Harry? So we want to know, yes or no, when we see Harry Potter series, we feel whether it is originally Harry Potter is there or not, we want to know the thing. So that thing only the student asks, did you ever meet a boy like Harry? Then what she replied, look, Rowling, I probably met a boy like Harry since I have been meeting readers of the Harry books, but he wasn't based on anyone real. So Rowling says, yes, I probably met a boy like Harry since I have been meeting readers. So I have met many readers of Harry Potters, like you also. Okay, like you small boys, so I am meeting readers of Harry Potter's, but he wasn't based on anyone real. So don't think that Harry Potter is the real character. Harry Potter is my imagination character. So Harry Potter is not a real character. So it was based on what? Imagination. It was not based on anyone real okay, it was based on J.K. Rowling imagination. So children, we will stop here, and in next class we will continue again. Go through the chapter and please go through about Harry Potter's, okay, not only Harry Potter's, about J.K. Rowling's life. So please read the lesson. So today we will stop here. Thank you.